Hey, what's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, here for another review for Threadbeast, the clothing subscription service. I'm a little behind once again, and we're going to be doing the review for the April box. So let's just get right into it and let's see what we got here. Alrighty. All right, so this is like kind of like a thick t-shirt material. This is called by a brand named Alternative, and this is nice. Like I said, it's a little bit on the heavier side, but still looks pretty good. Alrighty, wasn't expecting this. I guess they're gonna try to make a push to bring Tommy Hilfiger back in style. All right, Cutter and Beck. All right, so I looked it up, and Cutter and Beck is like golf clothes. Not quite sure how this made it into my urban clothing box, but you know, it is what it is. Who knows? Yeah. And then last but not least, I have a pair of shorts. Called Roan. Ooh, these look like some little shorts. My thighs might be out a little bit. We're gonna see. But I'm gonna try these on and see what it do. Not quite impressed with this box at all. You know, just thinking about it, I kind of don't even like any of the pieces that have been presented to me. Not quite sure how I feel about it. Feels like a little bit of a waste of money for this month, but I'll try to find a place for it. I definitely don't feel that I'll be keeping any of these pieces. I will try to do my best to find a new home for them, but I can definitely say Threadbeast, I'm extremely disappointed in this box. Just looking at it, yeah, I'm not happy at all. Like, this is actually kind of bad. I'm not even gonna waste time trying these things on. I think it'll be a waste. So that is my April Threadbeast subscription box, so you guys can decide for yourselves. Hopefully anyone that got a box in April, I really do hope that you guys did better than me. I hope that you did not get the same items that I got, because I would be extremely disappointed for you as well. All right, so until next time, we'll see what's up with the May box and see what's good. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. Okay, so here we go. I got on the Roan shorts, this whoever shirt. I mean, I told you guys I wasn't a fan of it before I even put it on. I mean, the shirt fits fine. The shorts fit really small and short. Just not that guy. Really, at least want my shorts to come down to my knees, not having like my whole little thighs out and shit. So again, not a fan of this outfit. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the other shirts, even though I said that I wasn't going to even try it on. I felt I needed to do it anyway. So one moment. All right, so those of you that are looking to bring Tommy Hilfiger back in style for urban clothes, here it is. It fits fine. And I'm over it. Like I was saying, like, this is a pretty thick t-shirt. Really stretchy material. I would say that it's not bad. It's just not anything that I'm excited about. So we'll see if this gets any rocks. If I find myself wanting to wear it with something other than these Daisy Dukes that they over here trying to get me to wear, yeah, get me up out of this. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.